The third various types of social audit is the macro-micro social indicator audit. It is a quantitative audit that uses both social indicators and indicators of the social performance of the companies. The macro social indicators reflect the actual and design general well-being of the community in general. Areas such as health and safety, education, and housing are usually covered. The microsocial indicators, on the other hand, assess a single company's performance in any of the areas covered by the macrosocial indicators. Using this measure, two types of comparison may be conducted. The first aim at assessing a single company's progress. To achieve this aim, the social performance of the company in a given year is compared with its performance in the previous year. The second contrasts a company's performance to be the performance of the other companies or other industry as a whole. External or internal expert may carry out the audit. The major strength of this type of social audit is the use of quantitative measure that enables the public to systematically evaluate a company's social performance. Another various types of social audit is the corporate rating approach. The corporate rating approach is also known as the social performance audit. In the USA, the corporate social rating are mainly initiated by the church groups, universities, mutual funds, and the Consumer Protection Group. They regularly evaluate, compare, and rank the companies in their efforts in keeping the public informed about the environmental impact of organizational behavior and the adequacy of the organizational response. Using opinion polls in the most prevalent method, which respondents are asked to rate the social performance of leading corporations. Next, various types of social audit is the constituency group attitude audit, most suitable for corporations that interact with different stakeholder groups, also called corporate constituency. The constituency group attitude identifies and measures the stakeholders' attitude. The information gathered about stakeholder attitude and preferences is then used to help corporations better manage social pressure from different stakeholders groups. An external team expert carries out this audit. The audit may cover the activities of the whole company or activities of areas of concern. The sixth
Created using Powtoon.